What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sasha P back at it again, bringing you real gardening, good food, and entertainment. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make a super simple summer salad. Y'all, it's so delicious. You don't have to cook anything. Only thing you have to do is just cut your tomatoes. So I'm gonna be using baby spinach and arugula mix. I love arugula. I actually wanted to use all arugula, but all they had was the mix. So I got that. I got some grape tomatoes. I got some mini pretzel twists, some roasted red pepper hummus, and some smoked salmon. Okay, and then for the dressing, we're gonna use just extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar glaze, and I'm gonna lightly season with some garlic pepper. To add a little bit more pizzazz to the hummus, I'm gonna put a little sriracha on top of that. All right, so you wanna start with the greens and you wanna get some of that on your plate. You can get 3 nice salads out of this container. This is a 5-ounce container. I got a handful of the grape tomatoes. I'm gonna wash these off and cut them in half. The tomatoes are on the plate. I cut them up right on the plate. I ain't got time to be dirtying up no more dishes, okay? I'm gonna go in now with the deli salmon. I'm gonna use only 1 piece of this because I want to have some for later. Hold on. Here's a piece of salmon. It's really thin. Like I said, this is the smoked salmon. So I'm just gonna put this like right on the side right there. I like the roasted red pepper hummus. That's my favorite, but I also do the garlic hummus sometimes. And I love their jalapeno lime hummus, but I can't find it. They don't be selling it like they used to. But yeah, get a spoonful of this on there. It's looking pretty already. Okay, now you want to get the pretzels on there too. Put the pretzels right on there by the hummus because I'm going to be dipping them in there anyway. A few more. I'm also going to put a few bread and butter chips on the salad because I want to. Now it's time to dress it up. I'm going to start with some extra virgin olive oil. I've arranged this salad so that most of the stuff is around the edge because I am going to dress the salad. So olive oil, just drizzle it on top just a little bit. You don't need that much. Okay, and then you want to go in with the balsamic vinegar glaze. Go up high with it. I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera. And that's all you need for dressing. Now if you got just regular balsamic vinegar, you can use that, and or you can use white wine vinegar, whatever vinegar you like. But the glaze is really good to me. All right, so for seasoning, gonna be using my favorite. This is garlic pepper seasoning. I got this from Dollar General. Let's go. All over. Not too much though. Last but not least, a little sriracha on the hummus. It just gives it a little bit of flavor, a little bit of extra kick. Y'all, this is so good. Look how beautiful that looks, y'all. Very summery, very light. Full of flavor. Try this one out, y'all. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one. the versatility of this salad. You can dip your pretzels in the hummus. You can put a piece of salmon on top of there.